Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon stock. As you can see, Amazon stock has also been sold off badly in recent days. After this sale, it has received a nice support from around 150 points and has thrown itself up to 186 with its nice attacks. However, I want to pay attention to the resistance level you see above the 189 region and the 191 region. Let's pay attention to this. If it makes a comeback from here and tries to look for support below, I think the 182 and 180 regions from the shortest support. However, there's a nice race vibe. Let's try to draw it too. When we draw this trend line with the trend line from below, I will wait a little, but if we connect the points here, we see a nice rise wave. I think it will continue this rally since January 2023, as it has continued this rise, but the critical region is the 200 region, which is difficult to pass. If that 200 region is passed, friends, different things can be considered. But this red candle is a little bit too much for us because it is a seller. It gives information that this place cannot be passed and means that the resistance can be sold again. Let's be careful about this. That's all I have to say for now. Take care of yourself.